Hey class, my name is Emily Francis. I am going to do my project today on good communities about Roseto, Pennsylvania. When looking at the map I provided on the screen, Roseto is a borough in Northampton County, Pennsylvania, United States. Roseto is located in the Lehigh Valley region of the state. It is part of Pennsylvania's Slate Belt. It is surrounded by Bangor, Stroudsburg, and Wind Gap. It is right along the border of the famous Delaware Water Gap. That is my house on the left-hand side. I have been currently living in it for about 15 years now. I grew up in Roseto the second half of my life. The first half we lived in Bangor. I decided to focus on Roseto because I never really took the chance to learn about the community. And I do know though that it is a good community, so I was very interested in learning about the pros and cons. Roseto was created in 1912. The Towns Incorporation Committee petitioned that the Common Pleas Court of Northampton County and Judge Henry Scott granted consent to incorporate the borough on January 2nd, 1912. Roseto then became the first 100% Italian borough in the United States of America. Now, although my family lives in Roseto, we are the small percentage that is not Italian. When classifying Roseto, it is important to remember that every type of community by the purpose that brings them together is what classifies them. So according to our readings this week, Millington talks about the interest of the communities of people who share the same passion. So in Roseto, everyone shares the passion of Italian heritage, fairs, activities. There's tons of family nights monthly. Our community comes together and does bingo and different fire hall activities for the kids, etc. Roseto is part of Bangor's public school system, so our sports really rely on the public school systems, but we do have a giant baseball field and a town baseball team. Roseto is known for the Catholic schools in our area. We have currently 3 up and running Catholic schools. Although I did not attend them, I had many friends who did, and they seemed like they had a good system down. The action of communities of people trying to bring about change is important when it comes to having a good community. So every month, the meeting of Roseto Borough Council is held on the first Monday, providing public services through efficient municipal governing. So the coordination of police services, fire protection, emergency medical care, recreation, planning, zoning, permitting, and enforcement of the general ordinances are all talked about at these meetings. The best part about the meetings and raising a good community is after the meetings, they go onto the local Facebook page and the local Google page, and they write about what was discussed and what is happening and the changes in the upcoming seasons, etc. Also, when classifying Roseto, the place, that is something that brings us together, the community of people brought together by their geographic boundaries. So a lot of people who reside in Roseto, including my parents, commute to work in surrounding areas such as Stroudsburg, Allentown, Wind Gap. Roseto is known for its many small businesses run by members of the community, creating a connection in geographical boundaries. So while we're talking about the connection that brings our geographical boundaries together, it relates to the practice in Millington's text. Communities of people in the same profession or undertake the same activities tend to have a bond in the town as well. So most occupations in Roseto start at a high of sales and related occupations and go all the way down towards transportation occupations. So according to city data, these occupations are taking over the citizens of Roseto. Now we're going to get into the demographics a little bit. The population was quoted by City Data in 2014 at 1,559. This is a 100% urban community. Males and females were super close in percentage rates, with males outweighing females by 1%. I find that is because a lot of the couples that live in this town are married, older. The average age is 40, and the median income is $57,000. The poverty rate for Roseto is only at 8.3%, which is amazing. The numbers of employees that work in Roseto with the small town communities, the small town shops, deli, barber, bakeries, the dance studio, the baseball, the municipal buildings, those employees are averaged at 823. The median property value is $1,590,000. So that makes sense because my neighbor's house is currently up for sale at $155,000. So In 2016, there were 36.4 times more white residents in Roseto, PA than any other race or ethnicity. So I kind of put a graph together so you guys could tell how many whites alone live in Roseto compared to Hispanics, African Americans, and other races or ethnic groups. Next, we're going to talk a little bit about the quality of life. So the quality of life is based on results of a study group. The index is calculated based on variables that affect individuals as they search for new homes, how much they would enjoy living in a place, and the impact of each selected variable. So I took the 2012 Quality of Life Index from City Data, and I put a little graph together with Roseto compared to Pennsylvania compared to the United States. So Roseto actually outweighed the quality of life, which is a really big difference by 10 points compared to Pennsylvania as a whole. So Roseto also outweighed the surrounding towns by a pretty large percentage as well for the positives quality of life you could have living in this town. Next, we're going to talk a little bit about Roseto crime rate. So the crime rate on a scale of 1 being low crime to 100 is 28 in Roseto. That was on onecitydata.com. The violent crime index is composed of 4 offenses. So murder, non-negligence, manslaughter, forcible rape, robbery, and aggravated assault. The U.S. average alone is 31.1%. So Roseto property crime on a scale of 1 to 100 is only 24, which seems really good compared to the surrounding towns after I researched them a little bit. So Roseto is at 34 right now compared to 87 in Pennsylvania. So the murder risk index is 54 compared to 93 in Pennsylvania. So, I mean, Roseto, I've lived here, like I said, 15 years, and we've never had the issue of any break-ins, crime, knock on wood, happening in the neighborhood. Next, we're going to get into the education. So the education is a little bit on the lower side for some reason. The education index is for the zip codes, though, and the places that are composed of combinations of social demographic characteristics. So these index scores are not based statistically upon the performance of specific schools and programs or colleges located in these areas, but the people that live in these areas. So just because the numbers are a little low doesn't have any effect on if the schools are a little low in their statistics. But for the individuals that live in the town, about 14% did not complete high school, and 20% completed some college, and about 13% completed a bachelor's degree in Roseto, Pennsylvania. When we're talking about the demographics, we need to get into the language a little bit. So out of the 1,500 members of Roseto, about 66 members are speakers of non-English language, which is lower than the national average of 21%. In 2015, the most common non-English language spoken in Roseto, PA was Italian, especially since this is an Italian borough, especially since it was the first United States Italian borough. The community health of Rosetoans, which is what we are referred to, is important when you're looking for a good community. And insurance and Medicaid coverage combined with state and county level health and safety statistics for Roseto in the Northampton County are likely to have health care coverage. So men and women seem to be at a 1 to 81 primary care clinician patient ratio. And I know that that is rising in the upcoming years since we just built a new First Safe Help. So next we're going to get into the classifying Roseto with the circumstance. So next we're going to talk about the circumstance, communities of people brought together by external events and situations. Every year Roseto throws a community event called the Big Time. So the Big Time has been around for many years. It has been around since 1895, and it's a spiritual celebration to honor the celebration is in honor of Blessed Mother of Jesus. The Big Time attracted people as far as Canada, and many relatives and friends came to the celebration. The Roseto Big Time is still happening in recent days. We just celebrated 125 years of the Big Time. It is now a 3-day civil festival known as the Big Time with a 2-day spiritual celebration with a Saturday night crowning of the Queen with a parade down Garibaldi Avenue. We love the Big Time. I have gone to the Big Time my whole life before I lived in Rosetto, and it's something that really makes the community a good community. Next, the industries include Our Lady of Mount Carmel, which is what the Big Time is based on. In Rosetto, Pennsylvania, most of the members of the community are Catholic. Since 2010, or since 2000, that has dropped a little bit. These records are from 2010, according to city data. So I believe that we have about 3 Catholic churches in town. We have the biggest Catholic churches within miles of our city. So a lot of people come from other areas too, as well, to attend these churches. The next industry that really jumps out to me in this town out of the many that we have are the General Sewing Machine Company. This was one of the first companies that was part of Rosetto and made Rosetto what it is. They still have it open 1 day a week, which is mind-blowing to me. It's been around since 1912. So that's just something that really was awesome. That really makes the town what it is. Finally, the Rosetto Municipal Building, it employs a lot of people and it's very helpful. This is where the council meetings happen, and it's really enjoyable to look at, have events there, and they do a lot of community events for families as well. Finally, I want to come to the conclusion that good community. Is Rosetto a good community? If yes, what makes it so? So I want to say that Rosetto is an amazing community. It is a very low poverty rate, a very low crime rate, and a very low drug use rate. So I really feel safe when I'm here. I feel safe raising my children here. I feel safe leaving my doors unlocked, my windows down in my car. I know my neighbors. My neighbors know me. We have tons of community activities. We have tons of parades and nighttime shows, etc. So I really believe that Rosetto is a good community. I don't see any changes or improvements that could make this community any better. So I hope everyone enjoys my presentation. I'm sorry it's a little bit long, over the 10-minute mark, but this community is just so amazing. I feel everyone needed to know as many details as possible. So have a good night, guys.